Hello, I'm Vaughn DeKirby. I'm an investment immigration attorney based here in San Francisco, and today we're going to talk about something a little different. We're going to do some FAQs. I get emails and questions from my clients and from people around the world, and I thought I'd address some of those questions that are received often. One is, what is a visa, or what rights does it provide? And the other is sort of part of that question, and that is, does a visa guarantee entry? First, it's important to understand what a visa is, and we've discussed that in earlier videos where we talked about the difference between a 10-year multi-entry visa and EB-5 and the purpose of the two of them. But today, let's just talk about what a visa is. It's important to understand that a visa is basically granting you the right to come to the United States and appear before a customs officer and request entry into the United States for a specified purpose. It's important to understand this is no guarantee. Having a visa does not guarantee your entry. And that customs officer will question you on why you're coming to the United States, and that customs officer has the power to deny your entry, to grant your entry, and to tell you how long you can lawfully stay in the United States with the visa that you've entered on. The other question that we get often is, who needs a visa? Essentially, for the most part, everyone needs a visa when they come to the United States, and each visa has a designated purpose, whether it's a B1 or B2, a visitor's visa, or possibly an F1 for a particular area of study in the United States. And the officer will grant your stay based on the purpose of your entry. Another question we get, and that kind of goes back to the EB-5 question, is what's the difference between a visa, which gives you the right to come to the United States, and a green card? Well, they are very, very distinct. If you have a visa, as I explained, this allows you to appear in front of the customs officer and request entry. If you have a green card, we call it a green card, but what it actually is what's called permanent residency. It means that you are considered a permanent resident of the United States, and there are requirements that you'll want to discuss with your immigration attorney. But basically, it means that you can reside in the United States, and absent some problem in your green card, or in the length that you've been gone from the United States, the customs officer will generally grant you entry without any delay. What is an I-94? Now, in the past, we had a card that was called an I-94 card. Now it's going to be a stamp in your passport. This is very, very important to understand this distinction, because sometimes people say, well, I have a 3-year visa, why can't I just stay in the United States? Well, actually, your stay in the United States is based on the grant in your I-94. Your I-94, which is now a stamp in your passport, will say specifically how long you are allowed to stay in the United States lawfully. It's very important that you don't violate the I-94, as it can result in severe immigration problems that you'll want to discuss with your immigration attorney. I hope these brief FAQs are helpful to you. If you have questions and you want clarifications on these issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be happy to go over that with you. Thank you.